Hello students, this is instructional video for all the participants of bridge course.
To one and all. Welcome to our bridge course on latest ICT tool. Today we will be starting as a classes. This session is mainly based on hands-on training. Actually, ಈ session plan ಮಾಡಿರೋದು practical sessions rather than the theory video ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but end of the video theory video you will be given assignment. Assignment ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you need to do it up. Don't just since because somebody is doing one person doing copy the same assignment and upload madvadella illa. It will be very simple to use, and being a BSc computer science student you should know all these tools and how to work with these tools. This is a basic necessity for a BSc graduate, and this will be very helpful when you go for your higher studies or when you do research work and all. Knowing how to work with this Excel, how to prepare a chart, how to make a presentation, how to make a video, all will be helpful for your future studies or whatever you do in your future task. So certain things I wanted to clarify in this video. This is not going to be like your regular online classes where I will upload and then a few people only will watch and other things. Here, purely every video has to be watched by all the students, and you have to watch the YouTube video. And in YouTube itself, you will have an option called comment. In that, I want with your register number like S19001, like that, you have to mention your register number, mention a name like Lavanya, Manisha, Deepak, like that mention, and you need to write a comment. Maybe you understood the concept, understood, not able to clear, few explanation needed, anything, what you feel, or okay, what some comment. So that will be taken as your attendance also for the day. And also it will make sure that you watch the video, because I know last time when we did online classes, it will be only hardly few people would have watched the video, not many people. But that is not our lesson. I understand this is purely a bridge course which will help you for your own benefit. So I want everybody to watch the video, then go about it. So make it very clear that you need to watch the video. I think once again I'm making it clear, YouTube video will come, and it will come only in Classroom app. I am not going to send in WhatsApp and all. We will use only Classroom app. Classroom app ಅಲ್ಲಿ link ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you watch in your phone, understand, and in that YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ you need to command it off your name and the thing. Watch the video and comment. That is one thing. Then in the video only, for an every session we finish, there will be a small assignment. ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಓದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, only practice. ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you need to take that, use your laptop, do that exercise in your laptop itself. In the coming this another next 5 minutes, you will know how to upload assignment in Classroom app. You have to upload your assignment. So you will upload your assignment only in the Classroom app. Once again, not in the WhatsApp, not in my personal message. We will do this course as a professional course. See why we can't do? There are so many schools from LKG, they have started online classes, and people are recording videos, small to LKG, UKG children are recording their rhymes video and sending to teacher. It's when such a small children can do, why can't my second BSc can't do? You can also try. See, anywhere you get stuck, anything is you're facing a problem, you can always contact me. Anyway, now we are also little free only, where I will be able to help you out in your task. So, and one more thing, I want all the assignment to be submitted, and for assignment deadline will be there every day, but I will give enough time. It's not that I will give only 1 hour you need to finish. Every assignment will have 2 time, but within the due date you have to submit the task. Don't tell internet illa, then 24 hours you have. Anybody's device you can use. It's not that your internet only you have to use and upload. Use it up and upload in time. Assignment has to be submitted, and everything you will finish in the particular time. But one thing, if you really involve yourself, you will enjoy these kind of bridge courses rather than your regular sessions, because it will be more of practical oriented. So now in the coming things we will discuss a few things just for an introduction: how to connect your mobile data to your laptop, how to upload assignment in the classroom app, and how the grading system will be, we will discuss.
Before moving into our first session, I want to make sure that all participants should know how to connect your mobile data to your laptop, preferably from the registration form which I took. Most of you, not most of you, all of you are using only mobile data for internet, not broadband connection. So you should know to connect your mobile data to laptop. It's a very simple process, and most of you know. Just let it be a quick revision for people who don't know to do this. Actually, in your mobile screen, in your mobile, when you will see this option where Bluetooth, Wi-Fi option and all will be there. Usually when you want to connect to internet, you will press on this mobile data. Along with mobile data, you need to press mobile on, turn on mobile hotspot. So two things you will turn on to connect your mobile data to laptop. You need to go to settings. In case if you have given the password for your mobile hotspot, you need to know the password. Usually we would have set for security reason, we will would have set the password. So where mobile hotspot will option will be there, means in your mobile device you need to go to settings. Under settings you will have an option like Wi-Fi connection. Under Wi-Fi connection there will be one option like mobile data or hotspot, like that. If you click there you can find the password, and if you click this show password, it will show you the password. So remember this password. So this password you need to mention in your laptop also, or set the password in case if you are not set. If you want to set a password, also set it up, and then just come out of this. Then turn on to your laptop. In your laptop, this is I'm talking about, we finished with our mobile device. Now I have come to laptop. In your laptop you can see this symbol. Usually in case none internet is not connected, it will be in off mode. Since internet is connected for this, it is in active mode. Click here, you will find all the nearby devices connected to that. Here you will see your phone device also appearing. Click that, there will be an option called connect. Press on connect. In case for your mobile device you have set password for hotspot, that same password you have to mention it. In case no password is there, you can connect directly. That's how you will connect your mobile data to laptop. I think this method most of you know. But anyway, I want to tell you why. Because in classroom app we will be doing the exercise in the laptop. So if you know to use classroom app in the laptop, then it will be easy for you to upload the assignments and other things. In case people find if you don't have a mobile net connection, you can't provide this connection to your laptop, let me know. Based on that, I will tell you another method. But commonly, since all your laptops are latest one, easily it get connected. Maybe old system only it will difficult to recognize. This method you can use. Everybody can try this option. This is one thing I wanted to clarify before I start the session. You should learn. And one more thing, this classroom app, when you use it in your laptop also, it's a very lightweight application. It's not going to take entire your mobile data in a whole day and all. It's a very light, and you will use only for you will work out the maybe work out the exercise without internet connection. You will do save it and keep it in your laptop. After that, before uploading to the classroom, you can just connect to the net to your laptop, then you can upload to your classroom. So once again I repeat, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಫೈಲ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಪುಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Then connect internet, give a mobile data connection to your laptop. Go to Chrome, give Google Classroom, and it will tell you to sign in. Whatever email ID you have given to sign into your classroom app, use the same email ID. You will find a bridge course, that label available. Click on the bridge course. There you can go, and I will tell you in the next slide, I will tell you how to upload the assignment through thing. Only for 2 to 3 minutes you need the use of internet to your laptop. Remaining thing, watching the video or watching the tutorial and all, you can use your mobile phone classroom app itself. So that's the benefit of this Google Classroom app. You use the same account, you can use it in the laptop also, you can use it in the mobile also. Next, we will see the method to upload assignment in Google Classroom. I think this is a place where you will get into thing and you can see how your what assignment is there. So due date is Friday, like this assignment link will be there. When you click on the link, you need to come to the right side. Here itself you can see how much points is allocated for the assignment and what is the due date for the assignment can be observed. Then this place you come, click add or create, and from your device system, click on browse, and wherever your file is there, select the file. For example, you'd have whichever location you have saved your exercise, from there you select. So according to this example, I'm just going to some folder and selecting the particular file which I wanted to upload. Select it and then open. Your work will be uploaded here. Once you upload, don't forget to turn in. You have to press turn in, then only your assignment will reach me. So you just need to press turn in option, then that your what assignment you have submitted will reach my part of thing where I can view. This is how we assignment, this classroom assignment submission will happen. Benefit of this assignment submission is, as a faculty, when I view this assignment, see, this is my part of view, not your part portal. In my view, all your assignment submission will be available like this, where whoever is submitted, that means turned in, it will show. According to this example, 2 people have submitted and remaining not submitted the assignment. For the people who have submitted the assignment, immediately I can grade it there itself. No need to wait. Immediately once you submit the assignment, will come to my classroom app. I can there only view your assignment and I can give grading. See, I have given 18, 20 like that, and remaining assignment is you need to, and points also will be mentioned, and due date also. In case if you list, it will show -1 day, due date is over, and -2 days, like that it will keep showing your due date also. Being since little bit you people are free, try to upload your assignment within a given time. Okay, this is how our bridge course is going to happen. uh, Maybe initial stage 1 or 2 session you will find it difficult. The any difficulties there, you can always clarify it off. Feel free to ask any doubt, so that you will be very thorough with these basic operations. Okay, so we will very soon, maybe tonight itself, I will upload our first session video. But till that, you just go through this instructional video and get used to how we are going to do about the entire bridge course. Thank you.